I was going to sell it with the and honestly, take two. And honestly, I was going to sell it with the take three. Take four. Bird is in the driveway, although we're thinking about calling it the lake house. Sounds better to say I'm working out of the lake house than I'm working out of the RV. I don't know. Just me? Give me your thoughts. Anyhow, two things going on today. We're flushing and sanitizing the tanks one more time before we go because we have a harvest host on our next trip. And then also we're having the new refrigerator put in. So this is the pretty bad light here with the light in the background, but this is the Contoure 12 volt refrigerator. Came in this week. We have Dan from Max RV or 5 Max RV put that in today. We've also gave a flush to our hot water tank just because I want to get fresh water in there. And what I did prior to, and I'll have to get some lights on here, so let me turn the battery on. Interior lights on. Here we go. Okay. So we're replacing this refrigerator right here in the Jayco 29MV with that all black Contoure 12 volt. And listen, I know where to call the limits for myself, and my limits are, whoa, there's a drawer that opened when I was driving. Hello. My limits are definitely putting in a refrigerator or an appliance. But one thing we wanted to do was, since we weren't going to be able to match the cabinetry anymore, which, by the way, almost didn't buy one of these because of that. I'm glad we didn't let it hold us back. We really think that this just, I don't know, it's dated. This is a 2018 Jayco Greyhawk 29MV, and we're just not big fans of the refrigerator having the same color panel. So all of our appliances in here are black, and that's why we're putting the black Contoure in. So I'll show you a after picture once Dan gets here and puts it in. It's Sunday, and he is so busy he's actually coming over at 5 o'clock. As you can see, I took the box the refrigerator came in and completely covered our floor. Just another step to keep the coach new and prestigious. It's about 81 degrees in here. Probably about 4 o'clock I'm going to come out here, start the generator, and run the air conditioner for about an hour to cool it down in here for him. Got all the cushions and stuff up in the attic out of the way. Everything's up off the floor, Bailey's crate, and the ottoman's up here on the on here, and I've got all the shades shut just to try to keep it as cool as possible in here. Like the way the black looks in here with the black stove and oven and the microwave. Freezer is humongous, and the fridge is also a very good size. This little thing goes like that for driving mode, although I don't think it'll need it. We didn't have to put too many screws in to hold this thing in place. It is very tight in here, but everything seems to be working well. I see fingerprints. Well, I think they finally fixed it, and I think it's ready to hold its cool. 6 degrees in the freezer right now, 39, and I've got the freezer set at midpoint, which they say is the most efficient. And they say anywhere between 5 and 6. I've got this set on 6. And like I say, that's holding us at about 39 degrees. Put it in on Sunday. I had a tech put it in. He came out, put it in. I helped him lift it in and get it all in place and everything. And then it started to cool, but I noticed something wasn't quite right. As soon as I called the company, they hooked me up with a guy down in the Florida Keys, who is their technical guy. I picture this guy sitting in a fifth wheel somewhere down there drinking pina coladas, talking to people on the phone about their refrigerator problems before a long holiday weekend. That's gotta be fun. Anyhow, I called Dan back from Max 5 RV. He was here today, twice actually. He had to come in, we troubleshooted it. As soon as we figured out what was wrong, Dan decided to rewire the whole thing, and we ran a dedicated 10 gauge wire to its own fuse in the motor coach, and then he double grounded it per the manufacturer's recommendation.